हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एपी आर्या नर्सिंग एजुकेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नर्सिंग के बारे में। नर्सिंग क्या है, नर्सिंग का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, क्वालिटीज ऑफ नर्सिंग क्या है एंड रूल एंड फंक्शन ऑफ नर्सिंग क्या है। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो। ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन नेक्स्ट टू सब्सक्राइब द बटन टू गेट द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ लेटेस्ट वीडियोज। Then now let's start the topic. First discuss introduction of nursing. Nursing has its origin in the mother care of helpless infants and most have coexisted with this type of care from earliest times. मतलब नर्सिंग की उत्पत्ति असहाय शिशु की मातृ की देखभाल से हुई है एंड इस प्रकार के देखभाल प्राचीन काल से ही मौजूद रही होगी। Then the word of nursing is derived from the Latin word nutritious, which means to nourish, to protect and to sustain. Then the literary meaning of the word nurse. Then discuss history of nursing. Florence Nightingale was a philosopher and founder of modern nursing. Then Florence Nightingale, also known as the lady with the lamp. Then she was born in Florence, Italy on May 12, 1820 and died on August 13, 1910. Every year, International Nurses Day is celebrated on 12th May. Then discuss full form of nurse. N stands for Nobel, U stands for understanding, R stands for responsibility, S stands for sympathy, E stands for efficient. Then discuss definition of nursing. First definition, nursing as the act of utilizing the involvement of the patient to assist them in their recovery. मतलब रोगी को ठीक होने में सहायता करने के लिए उसका वातावरण का उपयोग करने का कार्य करना है। दिस डेफिनेशन फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल वाज पब्लिश्ड 1860. देन नर्सिंग इज द डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस्पॉन्स टू एक्चुअल और पोटेंशियल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स। मतलब नर्सिंग एक वास्तविक या संभावित स्वास्थ्य समस्या के प्रति मानवीय प्रतिक्रिया का निदान और उपचार है। दिस डेफिनेशन एन.ए. was published 1980. Then nursing as the unique function of the nurse is to assist the individual sick or well in the performance of those activities contributing to health or its recovery or to peaceful death that he would perform unaided. नर्सिंग का अद्भुत कार्य बीमार या स्वास्थ्य व्यक्ति का सहायता करना है, उसके पुनरावृत्ति में योगदान देने वाला उन गतिविधियों का प्रदर्शनी जो भी बिना सहायता के करेगा। If he had the necessary strength, will of knowledge. This definition, Virginia Henderson and Knight, was published 1978. Virginia Henderson is known as the first lady of nursing. Then discuss qualities of a nurse. First, love for the fellow man. Then honesty and loyalty, मतलब ईमानदारी और वफादारी. Then discipline and obedience, मतलब अनुशासन और आज्ञाकारिता. Then alertness and intelligent observation, मतलब सतर्कता और बुद्धिमान observation. Then technical competence, then dependability and adjustability, then ability to inspire confidence, मतलब आत्मविश्वास प्रेरित करने के क्षमता. Then courtesy and dignity, मतलब शिष्टाचार और गरिमा. then sympathy, empathy, tact and poise, then intelligence and common sense, then patience and sense of humor, then good physical and mental health, then generosity मतलब उदारता, then gentleness and quietness, then resourcefulness, economic of time, material and energy. So this was qualities of nurse. Then discuss scope of nursing. First, advocating for patient and for health, then restoring health, then conducting research, then develop health practice and healthcare system, then evaluation of care and its impact, then leading and managing, then facilitating coping with disability and death. Then discuss roles and function of nurses. First, caregiver, second, advocate, third, critical thinker, fourth, teacher, 5, communicator, 6, manager, 7, researcher, 8, rehabilitator, 9, counselor, 10, change agent. Then discuss role and function of nurse का first point, caregiver. A nurse meets the client's holistic healthcare needs to promote health and healing process. मतलब नर्स स्वास्थ्य और उपचार प्रक्रिया को बढ़ावा देने के लिए पेशेंट का समग्र स्वास्थ्य का देखभाल आवश्यकता को पूरा करते हैं. Then the nurse provides treatment for specific disease and applies measures to restore the emotional and social well-being of the client. Then second point, advocate. A nurse protects the clients from kind of injuries. Then the nurse assists the clients in expressing their rights whenever necessary. मतलब जब भी पेशेंट को नर्स की आवश्यकता हो तो नर्स उनका सहायता करते हैं. Then the nurse also works to preserve the client's legal and human rights in time of health and illness and during the process of dying. मतलब नर्स स्वस्थ और बीमारी के समय और मरने के प्रक्रिया दौरान पेशेंट के कानूनी और मानवाधिकारों को संरक्षित करने के लिए भी काम करते हैं. Then third point, critical thinker. Nurse uses decision making and critical thinking skills in conjunction with the nursing process. मतलब नर्स नर्सिंग प्रक्रिया के साथ निर्णय लेने और महत्वपूर्ण सोच कौशल का उपयोग करते हैं. Then fourth point, teacher. The nurse provides her clients, their families and other members of the society with information about health treatment or therapy and lifestyle changes. मतलब नर्स पेशेंट को, उनका परिवार को और समाज के अन्य सदस्यों को स्वास्थ्य उपचार या चिकित्सित और जीवन शैली में बदलाव के बारे में जानकारी प्रदान करते हैं. Then fifth point, communicator. The nurse communicate with the client, support persons, other health professions and people in the community. Then the nurse identify first client's problem, then the communicate them verbally or in written to other member of the health team. Then sixth point, manager. Nurse manages and coordinates client care, supervise and guides the client in rehabilitative activities related to daily living. Then she can also be an effective manager at various level of administration. Then point 7. Researcher. Nurse participate in research works related to health care. Then a nurse researcher usually conducts studies and investigates problem to improve clients' health and nursing care. मतलब नर्स पेशेंट की स्वास्थ्य के सुधार के लिए अध्ययन और समस्या के जांच करते हैं. Then point 8. Rehabilitator. Nurse ensure that the client returns to a maximal state of functioning. मतलब नर्स सुनिश्चित करते हैं client returns to a maximal state of functioning. Then point number 9. Counselor. Nurse helps the client to recognize and cope with stressful, psychological or social problems. Then nurse assists the client for developing good interpersonal relationship and to promote personal growth. Then it involves providing emotional, intellectual and psychological support. Then last point, point number 10, change agent. The nurse acts as a change agent when assisting others, that is clients, to make modification in their own behavior. The nurse also often act to make changes in a system such as a clinical care if it is not helping a client return to health. So this was the topic of nursing. I suggest you please watch the video first to last. I think this topic very helpful for nurse. नर्स को इस सब बारे में पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. I hope you understood this video. Any doubt, please comment me on comment box. Then I will clear all doubt. आप चाहे तो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा. If you understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.